In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make $100 per day passive income creating a free blog, definitely for yourself. I'm talking about free. I'm talking about a free blog which is 100% free and making you $100 per day as a passive income. So stay with me in this video as I'm going to share definitely with you the step-by-step how to create this free blog and how you can make this $100 per day passive income definitely. On this channel, I share with you definitely how to make money online, how to create a digital business, and also how to scale your business. Definitely, once you really want to make a digital business or really want to make money online, this is the channel for you to subscribe and don't waste any more time. So let's jump in. Here, I could use definitely referral areas such as Digistore24, or I could also go to ClickBank or any definitely affiliate site that you're comfortable with. It could be Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, don't matter. You could really jump in, find a product that you like, or should I say, you definitely want to make sure you find a niche that you're comfortable with. So once you find a niche that you're comfortable with, you can also just decide to create your entire blog and make things work for you. Now, I'm in the make money online business. So once I'm in the make money, I'm going to use business such as e-business and e-marketing. Definitely, I can decide to choose my product, and what I've seen, I will work with a product such as, let's see, which product will I work with? I will work with Petrol Income 365, right? And the reason why, I'm going to really show you something. Here on the affiliate page, it gives you information of what you really need to just go ahead and do whatever you want. So I'm just going to really show you how I can deal with all of this with an easy way for you to really. So stay with me as I'm going to really show you everything and show you definitely. Here we're getting all the information that you need to really start creating your first blog post. And definitely the blog post that I'm going to create is very simple and easy because Google will be the one promoting it for me. So Google, my good friend, will do all the work for me. So here I go. Once you have a Gmail account, all you gotta do, you go over towards where you see this definitely 9 dots, which definitely these are for Google Apps, and you're gonna scroll right down to where you see Blogger. So once you see Blogger, you're gonna click on Blogger, and when you click on Blogger, you'll be getting a page just like this. So I'm just going to create a new page, and as I'm here, I just believe I should really create a page, a blog definitely. Let me see, my title should be like right, so I will creating something like perpetual income review. Definitely once I have this title, I would just click next. I would decide what I really want my entire domain to be known as. So I would just write perpetual, right? I believe I should just put in the income. Once I got the income, I can really, right, sorry, someone else already have that. Right, so I use perpetual income 1K, and definitely I would just go ahead save. This is where the process is going to take place. Once I have all that process take place, I can decide to say I'm going to go ahead and create a post. Right, once you do all of this, you have the access definitely to create your entire post. You create your entire page, the layout of your page. You can put in your themes, settings, and all of that, which is very simple and easy. So I just jump right back in, and so you can really see what's been going on. Right here on my left hand side, I can go ahead settings, and in settings, I would really see definitely what the description. I can really type in that. My language, I already have that. Is this content for adult? No. Alright, so I can go to Google Analyze. We definitely connect your entire blog towards Google Search Console to get everything you want. So see it here, visual to search engine, right? And you're ready right away to really publish what you want to redirect your domain, and everything you can do right inside here. So here I'm going to really decide to say, okay, what's my layout? And once I get my layout, I can really work on that point for you to really see, which I don't really have a layout right now, right, or anything I should really add in as layout. But I can go towards my page and I create my page how I want it and my post. So definitely, in order for me to create posts right now, for anyone to start see online and really jump in and do everything, I can just go right back here to perpetual income, go here and find the first question I see, what is perpetual income 365? I can really take this information right off the bat here. All right, I can say, okay, I want this. So I copy, and I can go right here and paste. So I can paste this right here, right? Right. So once I have that, I can just press enter, and I go definitely for the other places. Now, I'm not going to say copy everything word for word, but what I want to do is to copy this piece. Once I copy it, I'm going to go over to Krillbot, and once I go to Krillbot, I will just paste it here, paraphrase it, and once I paraphrase it, I'm going to get it put out back in a different paraphrase way where I can just put it on any site that I need to really work with. So I copy this, and once I copy it, I go over back to my blog and I would paste it, and this is definitely something that is reparaphrased to a point where I can use on any site and really start working with. So I can go further on and say, okay, I want more information, and all the information that you can search for. The pictures you can search for here. If you're using like Windows 10, all I need to do is just go towards the little clickback thing down here, you search, you press S, and once you press S, you'll be getting a Snip tool. You can just use this, very easy and simple for you to use. You just decide to say, okay, new, and you just do a simple thing as this. So here, you copy, you screenshot all of that, you just name it, and you save it definitely as how you want it to be. Right, so once you save it, you have this, can always upload definitely towards your page. You can go ahead, you get more information out of this. And once you get information, even this entire part here, you can just screenshot it, paste it in, and get all the information. You can also just go right in towards the sales page, and when you go into this sales page, you can watch this video, and once you watch the video, you can get all the information that you want. You can also just go in, claim your spot, listen to what they have to say, and you get all the information to written down definitely, and start dealing with your entire blog right here. You can also look, and you may see something similar as you may see here, weight and all these things. You can really give people a punchline to say, oh, it's 100% newbie friendly. We love our new members and all of that. You can just paraphrase it in your own words and really use to really do it. Or you can just simply copy it and go over to Krillbot again once more, and you just simply paste and paraphrase to really get all that you really need to definitely work with. So this is something, as you can see here, you can use to really just put on your page and make it really work. Now, the real thing about this is that Blogger definitely belongs towards Google. So once you really set up this is easily to show up in towards your search engine, definitely on the page one, and within all of that, you can just go ahead and get sales. You can also decide to promote this entire blog towards Facebook, YouTube, you have Instagram. You got several different social media sites that you can use right now to promote your entire blog posts and really get things going on. So there's no problem within all of this. You can just go ahead and start doing your own thing, definitely. So thanks for watching, and this is what I want to share with you. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe right now, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, see you in the next one.